Okay, so we have the main board here, which is the same main board for both the Synergy and the Infinity. And as you can see here on the right, we have the scroll button, which will take you through the menu. Anything in the menu you want to change, you will hit the adjust button. So we're just going to show you now how to resync the power swivel, okay? So once it's come out of sync, we then have to obviously get it back into place. So as you can see, the seat is free to move all the time, and it's because they have now come out of sync. So we're going to realign them. So the first thing to do is take the side cover off. So we take these two screws out on the side. And then what we're going to do then is take the cover off, and we're going to change the hand of the lift. So this is a left hand, and we're going to change it to a right. So it's now in right hand. What I want you to do then is to hold on to the seat and press down on the remote control until you hear the click, which will show that it's then realigned. Once you hear the click, okay, you can let go. And then we change the hand back to the original hand. So we're going to change back from a right to a left. Once we've done that, I'm just going to loosely put my cover on the side. Once I press down now, it will then bring itself back round, and it's then ready for use.